Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to export and set up barcode ID cards using a manager or the global administrator user account, the one who registered for the EAM service. Select Employees on the left menu bar. Then select the Create Edit Employee feature option. This example is currently using a manager for the manufacturing department. Select the employee that you want to export their barcode ID card for. Then proceed to click the Export Barcode button. The barcode ID for the employee will be downloaded on your computer's Downloads folder, or your default browser's Download folder, with their full name as a PNG image file as the file name. In a Word document template for ID cards, which you can find when creating a new Word document, such as in this example. Enter the employee's name in the placement field. Your company name. Then the department name. You can set the template to already have your company's name and department name. On the Insert tab, select the Pictures menu option. Then this device, or depending on Microsoft Word version, select the appropriate option to open the directory that has the barcode ID image file. Select the employee's barcode image file and click Insert. Then edit and print as required. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.